Go.
So we have the first dinosaurs with 4 nails, movable head, movable jaws, movable legs, and movable nails. They move, and you have to build them. And then we have the Gigantosaurus. Movable jaw, movable tail, movable legs, and movable arms. This one has the most like it, except the nail part. So, that's really everything part of the set. That's everything part of the set, really. There's nothing. What? Okay, what? Thank you very much.
Gotta get lower. Lower. There you go.
Thank you.
Did you want to show it in action or no?
Oh, what?
I'd like to show you playing with it or no?
No.
Okay. All right.